So we got a bad oil leak down there, and we're trying to figure out if we got a front crankshaft seal leak or maybe a cam seal leak. So the first thing we need to do is remove the timing belt cover. But before that, we need to remove this reservoir. Sometimes this is hard to remove, but in this case mine is loose already. So loosen up this hose. Then just put it back, put it up here. There's got some leak on this one. Yeah, gotta tighten it back again. Then from there, there's a hole in here. Put your 10 mm Torx bit. Oh, I think it's a 10 mm bolt. Take it out. Pull this out. I need to pull this cover too. Okay. So there you go. It's not really tight, so let break that loose. Just reach out. Okay, got the bolt out. It's a 10 mm. Then time to loosen the timing belt cover. Loosen this one, and the one in the back over there. This is out. So there's a wet spot over here, and okay, I think it tells me that this is a front crankshaft seal leaking. Yep. This one is like cams are, even the VVT is dry, and the timing belt is also dry. I don't see any wetness on. So we'll take out the harmonic balancer below and then see how bad is it down there. So good news, my leak is not from the cam because everything here is dry. Belt is dry. But there's really nothing spewing up here. It turns out that the problem is coming from the oil filter. So here, my oil filter is actually loose. a little bit, so I have to like tighten it very well, very tight. It wasn't torqued properly, so the area where it's leaking is over here. I could actually see oil seeping out when I run the car at idle, and you could actually see oil flowing in here to here. The problem sometimes is it goes also on this side, yeah, making you think that there's like some leak over here too. And then when you look at under the crankshaft area, it's so dry. So I was really happy that the crankshaft seal is not leaking. So I sprayed here with brake cleaner and everything is so dry. Yep, everything is so dry in this area. I rev up the engine and let it run for like 10 minutes and I couldn't see any moisture or any wet stuff in here. So yep, if it's not broken, don't fix it. Yep, it's not an easy job replacing the crankshaft seal on this one. Yep, so I'm gonna button this up. I also disconnected the alarm. I disconnected it. Probably this will eliminate my message when I turn on the car, and also probably make my sunroof working, but I doubt if the sunroof is working well. Probably I don't need to open it up. It's probably broken. Yep.